Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel ArtEPics. I am Payal. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share with you all a very easy Krishna painting and I am going to use Madhubani style. To make this painting, I create a big broad border to create a decorative frame, and in the middle I draw our beloved Krishna. So without further delaying, let's get started. For bordering, I use only black waterproof gel pen because as a beginner it is the best option, and for coloring I simply use DOMS 14 set poster color box. If you have acrylic color, brush pens or whatever color you have, you can use that too. Please keep watching until the end and thank you all in advance.
Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen.
I want to make a request for all of you. Please give my drawing a like, share this painting with your loved ones, and comment me in my comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beginner friendly videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.